Hello my Totta kids. Today we will learn A to Z birds name. So let's begin. Albatrosses. A for albatrosses. Blue jay. B for blue jay. Crow. C for crow. Dove. D for dove. Eagle. E for eagle. Finch. F for finch. Garganey. G for Garganey. Hoopoe. H for Hoopoe. Indigo Bunting. I for Indigo Bunting. J. J for jay. Kingfisher. K for Kingfisher. Lapwing. L for Lapwing. Magpie. M for Magpie. Nightingale. N for Nightingale. Osprey. O for Osprey. Parrot. P for Parrot. Quail. Q for Quail. Redstart. R for Redstart. Sparrow. S for Sparrow. Twite. T for Twite. Upland Pipit. U for Upland Pipit. Warden. V for Warden. Woodpecker. W for Woodpecker. Xenops. X for Xenops. Yellowhammer. Y for Yellowhammer. Zebra dove. Z for zebra dove. So kids, these are all the birds. Hope you will enjoy this video. If you like, then please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Take care.